Hey, welcome back. In today's quick tip video, we are going to be looking at offline activation. So in version 1.8.21, we released a second version of Closed Caption Creator. So the second version of Closed Caption Creator is an offline version, meaning that it does not connect to the internet. It can be run in studios. It can be run on an airplane. It can be run with zero access to the internet. However, before you can use the offline version, it must be activated. So on the screen right now, you'll notice that this is the login screen essentially for Closed Caption Creator Offline. And what you'll see here is you'll see the machine ID, right? And you'll see a spot for an activation code. So what you need to do is on the offline machine where you've installed this the program, you'll have to copy that machine ID and you'll have to open up Closed Caption Creator. You can go to our website. You have to open up the browser version. So if I scroll all the way to the bottom, if I go to closedcaptioncreator.com, scroll to the bottom, right, you'll notice that there's a downloads page here. So I'll go to downloads and I'll go to the Chrome version of Closed Caption Creator. So this is probably where you were before when you downloaded the offline version. So that's available here as well. But all I'm doing here is I'm just going to the Chrome version, and that's going to launch app.closedcaptioncreator.com. You can always come to this URL directly as well, right? So that's a public URL that you'll go to. And I'm going to close this. I'm also going to close this welcome dashboard, and I'm going to go up to the help menu, and I'm going to go to offline activation. And I'm going to paste in the offline machine ID, which is what I got from that's this machine ID up here. So I've copied that machine ID here and I've pasted it in here. And what I'll do now is I'll just hit generate code and it's going to return to me a new activation code. So it might take a couple minutes for it to generate a code here. So we'll be patient. Perfect. So here's my activation code and I can now copy this code, right? And I can now paste it into the offline version. So I can come into the activation code here, paste that code in, hit activate, and it should activate and refresh the page. Great. And now I'm in. So you'll see here, I'm in to the offline version. So there's no team projects, there's no AI transcription. It's basically an offline, 100% offline version of Closed Caption Creator. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team at support@closedcaptioncreator.com, or you can always, reach out to us in the comments section below. Thanks so much.